So then now is the first exercise. Again I'm going in reverse. Okay, the 14th sum is tan inverse of root 3 minus secant inverse of minus 2 is equal to what? Okay, secant cos, secant cot. இதெல்லாம் negative argument வந்தா pi minus. So pi minus secant inverse of 2. Correct? Now there is a tan inverse of root 3. See, listen, these are all known angles. These are not variables. So you can find out what will be tan inverse of root 3. 1, 2, root 3. Tan 60, which is pi by 3 minus pi plus secant inverse of root 2, which will be 1 by 2 is cos in the case of 60. So again it is plus pi by 3. Correct? Adjacent pi, hypotenuse, secant is 2, so again it's 60. So it's pi by 3. Tan inverse of root 3 is also pi by 3. Pi by 3 plus pi by 3 is actually 2 pi by 3 minus pi. So it will be 2 pi minus 3 pi by 3, which is minus pi by 3. Is there an option? Yes. So that will be the right answer. 13th sum. If sine inverse of x is equal to y, then y lies between. So y is nothing but the range. X is always the domain. And I told you in trigonometry the opposite is what is inverse trigonometry. So in minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, x இருக்கும்போது தான் you will have the answer ranging from minus 1 to plus 1 in the case of a trigonometric graph. Can you see? This is pi by 2, minus pi by 2. This will be pi, this will be minus pi, and this will be 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. The answer will be 1 and minus 1. This is for a sine graph. Sine 0, 0, sine 90 is 1, sine 180 is 0. Sine of minus pi by 2 is minus 1. So, can you see this part is what you should take. So, this is the domain and this becomes the range. Minus pi by 2 is the domain and minus 1 to 1 becomes my range. In the case of trigonometry, the opposite is what you have to write in the case of, because your x-axis becomes your y-axis here and your y-axis becomes your x-axis. So basically the answer is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, both inclusive of minus pi by 2 and pi by 2. Session B. The answer is B. Okay. Y will lie between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. That's when it will range from minus 1 to plus 1. Correct? Okay, next. Suppose this question was asked for cos. How is a cos graph? In the case of trigonometry, 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. Cos 0 is 1. Cos 90 is 0. Cos 180. Cos 270 is minus 1. It goes like this, right? So, where is it symmetrical? It's symmetrical between 0, pi by 2. Sorry, this is pi, this is 3 pi by 2. Okay. So, can you see it's symmetrical between 0 and pi? So, this is 1 and minus 1. Between 0 and pi, it ranges between 1 and minus 1. So, this gets interchanged. So, if the y can lie between 0 and pi in the case of a cos, but it's not the question. Okay. So, it's just an additional point. Then let's come to 12th sum. What is it? Cos inverse of 1 by 2 plus 2 sin inverse of 1 by 2. Cos 1 by 2, 1, 2 root 3. Cos 60 is 1 by 2, correct? So, pi by 3 plus 2 into sin inverse 1 by 2. Sin 1 by 2 will be in sin 30, which is pi by 6. This and this gets cancelled. So, the answer is 2 pi by 3. Okay, cos inverse of 1 by 2. If I have made any mistake, please let me know. Okay, 11th, tan inverse of 1, which is pi by 4, plus cos inverse of minus 1 by 2, plus sin inverse of minus 1 by 2. This will be pi minus cos inverse of 1 by 2. This will be minus sin inverse of 1 by 2. I told you cos, secant and cot pi minus varum. You have to take the negative sign out. So, pi by 4 plus pi minus cos 1 by 2 is cos 60, which is pi by 3. Sin 1 by 2, which will be in pi by 6. Just solve this and check what is your book back. Okay. Next, 10th sum. Cosecant inverse of minus root 2. cos, secant and cot la pi minus. You can just directly take the minus sign out. This is reciprocal of sine. Sine inga 1 by root 2, it will be 45 degree, right? Just pi by 4. So minus, because minus pi by 4 will be the answer. Check your book back again. 9th, cos inverse of minus 1 by root 2. Cos, secant and cot, pi minus cos inverse of 1 by root 2. This again will come only in pi by 4. So answer is 3 pi by 4. 8th sum, cot inverse of root 3. Tan will be 1 by root 3 in 30 degree. So cot will be root 3 in 30 degree. The answer is pi by 6. Secant, 7th, secant inverse of 2 by root 3. Cos of root 3 by 2 is in 30 degree, which is pi by 6. So this is pi by 6. Very simple. Okay, next is 6th sum, which is tan inverse of minus 1 minus tan inverse of 1, which will become minus pi by 4. 5th sum, cos inverse of minus 1 by 2 is pi minus cos inverse of 1 by 2. Cos 60, so pi minus pi by 3, which is 2 pi by 3. 4th sum, tan inverse of minus root 3 is minus tan inverse of root 3 because cos, secant and cot. So where will tan be root 3 at tan 60? So minus pi by 3. 3rd sum is cosecant inverse of 2. Sine where will be 1 by 2 is at 30 degrees, so pi by 3. 4th sum is cos inverse of root 3 by 2. When cos will be root 3 by 2 is again 30 degree, which is pi by 6. 2nd sum is cos inverse of root 3 by 2 sin inverse of minus 1 by sin la negative minus sin inverse of 1 by 2. Where will be sin 1 by 2? Sin will be 1 by 2 in 30 degree, which is minus pi by 6 again. So I'm done with the entire inverse trigonometry book sums. Examples you can always go through what is given in the book. Please make sure you go through the graphs that is given for sin, cos, sin inverse, cos inverse, secant inverse, tan inverse, everything, okay, in the book. And that's all. I'm going to deal with extra sums in my next video.